What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing, assembling, and showing you this Vogue Furniture Direct big and tall office chair that can handle up to 500 pounds. I did receive it to do this video. Let's check it out. As for the unboxing, there is a note on the box to not use a utility knife at risk of damaging the fabric, so just be mindful of that. Got everything unpackaged and laid out on the floor. The manual is one page, and here's the other page that offers some assembly suggestions. I personally think it's really nice to have all the assembly steps on one page. So step one, we grab the part E and F and stack them in the base, and then all 5 casters just pop right into the base. And by the way, the only tool you will need for this assembly is a hex key, and it is included. So on to step 2, note that there's a sticker on the base that says front, so you know which side is the front, and it's also engraved on the mechanism. So you can grab the mechanism and just match the front to the front, and it's J screws for the front side of this and I screws for the back side of the mechanism. And for speed's sake, you can tighten them with your fingers and then get the rest with the hex key, letter M. And once you've got all of those fastened, that's it for step 2. We're already on to step 3, where we will attach the armrests to the base and the backrest. For step 3, we will need 8 K screws, and we'll tighten them with that M wrench. And the first time I tried this was difficult to get the backrest to line up with the seat until I figured out how to lay them. So if you actually put the seat on its side and the backrest on its side like this, it's way easier. And then get ready to rinse and repeat the same thing for the other side as well. And once you have all of the K-bolts attached, we are on to my favorite step, step 4, where we attach the entire seat and backrest to the base. As long as you line up the hole in the mechanism to the base, it is truly as simple as setting the seat on the base. I gave it a test run just to make sure it was locked in place and functioning right. And then we are almost done. We just need the 8 covers on, which is labeled L in the hardware pack. These push in to snap on and they just lock in place. And once those are on, we are done with the assembly process. And once again, this is a big and tall chair, so this is much bigger than your standard office chair. It has an extra wide seat and an extra thick cushion on the seat and backrest. It has 5 really smooth swivel caster wheels, and the whole chair is upholstered with really easy to clean PU leather. There's an adjustment on the bottom that you can spin clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the torque of the backrest, basically how tight you want this swing to be. And there's also the pull bar to lift or drop the whole seat. This also has a function where you can pull it out if you want it to swing freely, or you can push it in to lock the swing so it won't swing, as shown on screen here. And here's what it looks like if you pull it out, and it will release that swing function. So hopefully this shows you what to expect with this Vogue Furniture Direct office chair. Thanks so much for watching.